Welcome back to Tech Talk, episode number 5, and it's all about how to find a job on LinkedIn. Now, in a previous video, I went over how to get onto LinkedIn and the top steps you need to take to get a great profile. So I hope you'll all review that. In the meantime, if you're new to LinkedIn or if you've been using LinkedIn for a while, LinkedIn is one of the best places to find a new job. So how do we do that? Well, let's start by looking at the little tab. It looks like an attaché case. Most people have messenger bags, but back in the day, people had briefcases. So you're going to click on that, and that's going to bring you into the jobs part of LinkedIn. That's a very critical part of LinkedIn. Lots of people use it, both on the recruiting side and on the looking side. Here we are in the main window of the jobs section of LinkedIn. You have a few options up here. First is your saved jobs. So if you looked at a job and you think you might want to go for it, you'll see it up here. These are your applied jobs, the ones that you've applied to, obviously. And this is a great feature of LinkedIn. What happens is that you can follow a company, and when they have a job, they will alert you. Actually, LinkedIn will alert you and say, hey, there's a job available at such and such a company, and then you can go and apply. This is salary, and there is a few more things, but let's just keep this basic for now and keep the video down for just a few minutes. So you can search for your job by title, skill, or the type of company, or the company by name you want to work for. And obviously you want to put in the city, the state, or the zip code. So to start off, let's put in the zip code. That's Washington, D.C. Great place to live and work. So after pressing our area, Washington, D.C., a whole list of jobs comes up. Actually, nearly 200,000 jobs are coming up. Obviously, we're not going to go through 200,000 jobs. I'm not even qualified for some of those jobs. So then you want to put in your title, the skill that you want, or the company. So let's get more specific. Obviously, even though I say I'm a president, John Adams, I'm not really a president. But let's do a more common one. Let's say bookkeeper. Notice how these come up, and you can select the one that's right for you. And you want to put for that location. This location of Washington, D.C. It has my current location in here, which is Florida, by the way. But we're going to search in Washington, D.C. Give us a second to come up. Okay, so we're in a job search for a bookkeeper in Washington, D.C. within 25 miles. Makes sense? And you see here on your right-hand side, there's all sorts of positions for bookkeepers. On the left-hand side, you see exactly which bookkeeper it is. So you can see here that this is highlighted, and this is the actual job posting. Here's the posted by a person whose name I'll block out, and you can send an in-mail. An in-mail is when you buy subscription to LinkedIn, but sometimes these people will be either in your network or as a second connection, and you can connect with them and say, by the way, I'm interested in working with your company. When you have an easy apply, all you have to do is click it and you're done. It is really that simple. So we can see here you have easy apply in the description, and to the left side, you also have easy apply over here and easy apply over here. Alright, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to look by company. And looking by company has advantages. First of all, it's going to be a company that you want to work at. And second, it'll give you notices when new jobs are available at that company. So let's go up here in our search box. Remember last time we put a search for bookkeeper. Now we're going to search for a particular company. Let's say the Washington Nationals. Let's go for that. We all love the Washington Nationals. Okay, so give ourselves a second. Washington Nationals. hit the search bar. Okay, so here we are in Washington Nationals. Now, we have various jobs. It's no longer just bookkeeper because we're looking for the entire company. You can see they have development, retail, coach, all kinds of different things here. So with just 77 results, we can look for bookkeeper. Now look over here, it's job alert is off, and we can make the job alert go on. How often do we want that job alert? You can do it daily if you really want to know. You can do it weekly, and you can get emails or notifications, or you can choose. Here's some of the other things real quickly. You can sort by what's most recent. So if you want to see a job that's opened up in the past week or so that has likely less candidates applying, you can go that way. Its default stage is the most relevant, but you can also pick the most recent. You can pick the distance as well, how many miles from your chosen zip code. So if you don't like to commute, don't put 75 miles. So thank you so much for watching the video today. If you haven't already seen the video of how to get onto LinkedIn, and you're not on LinkedIn yet, you need to get on there, especially in these times. You need to build up your network. Alright, once again, thank you for watching Tech Talk. We are in challenging times right now, but yes, they will get better. Thanks again for watching, and check out the other videos. Please give me a thumbs up, it really does help, and follow the channel, subscribe to us. Thanks again, and have a great day.